Welcome to our video on side hustles for college students. If you're a college student looking for a way to earn some extra money while balancing your studies, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing 6 side hustles that are perfect for college students. Blogging. Blogging is an excellent side hustle for college students who love to write. You can create your own blog and start writing about topics that interest you. You can also make money from your blog through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and advertising. It requires some effort, patience, and persistence to establish and grow a blog, but it can be a great way to earn passive income while studying. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another excellent side hustle for college students. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can promote products related to your blog, YouTube channel, or social media pages. Affiliate marketing requires some effort and marketing skills to be successful, but it can be an excellent way to earn passive income while studying. YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is another excellent side hustle for college students. If you're good at creating videos, you can create your own YouTube channel and start uploading content related to your interests or academic area. You can make money from your YouTube channel through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Like blogging, it requires some effort and patience to grow your channel, but it can be an excellent way to earn passive income while studying. Tutoring. If you're good at a particular academic subject or skill, you can offer tutoring services to other students in your college or even online. You can charge for your tutoring services by the hour, and this can be a great way to earn extra money while sharing your knowledge with others. Creating coloring books and ebooks. If you're good at creating artwork or writing, you can create coloring books and ebooks that you can sell on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Etsy. These platforms allow you to create and sell your own digital products, and you can earn money for every sale made. Creating coloring books and ebooks requires some effort and creativity, but it can be an excellent way to earn passive income while studying. Paid social media posting. Finally, you can also earn money by doing paid social media postings for businesses or brands. This involves promoting their products or services on your social media pages, and you can earn money for every post made. Paid social media posting requires some effort and marketing skills, but it can be an excellent way to earn extra money while studying. Finally, there are plenty of side hustles for college students that can help you earn extra money while studying. The key is to find something that you're passionate about and that you can do in your free time. Whether it's blogging, affiliate marketing, YouTube channel, tutoring, creating coloring books and ebooks, or paid social media posting, there's something for everyone. So, go ahead and explore your options and start earning some extra money today. Like and subscribe the channel. Visit moneyallowed.com to explore more about side hustles. Link in the description.